If your HVAC system trips the circuit breaker all the time, it's not just annoying, it's a sign something's seriously off and you should fix it fast. So, first off, you want to check the wiring for any shorts or damage because that's a common reason breakers trip. Make sure wires aren't frayed or touching anything they shouldn't be. Next, inspect the motor overload protector. It's basically a safety feature that can shut things down if the motor's working too hard or getting too hot. Sometimes the motor itself might be drawing too much power, so keep an eye on that. Also, clean or replace your air filters regularly because clogged filters make your system work harder and can cause overheating. Don't forget to check the condenser coil. If it's dirty or blocked, airflow gets restricted, which can trip the breaker. Another tip is to make sure the circuit breaker itself isn't faulty. Breakers wear out over time and might need replacing. Finally, avoid turning on too many heavy appliances on the same circuit as your HVAC system to prevent overload. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their HVAC trips the circuit breaker is ignoring wiring issues. Loose or damaged wiring can cause shorts and fires, so fix or replace any bad wiring immediately. Another common problem is neglecting motor overload problems. If the motor is overheating because of mechanical issues or lack of maintenance, it'll keep tripping the breaker, so get a professional to check and possibly replace the motor protector. Thirdly, many folks overlook dirty filters and coils, which restrict airflow and cause the system to work harder than it should, leading to breaker trips. Cleaning or replacing those parts regularly solves this easily. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle HVAC issues like these. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making sure everyone gets the job done right without any hassle.